ventilation brackets and if it fixed my car or not. It did not fix the car. It made it better, but it did not fix the car. So I basically have another appointment with the Chevy dealership. I did some more research. I checked some more things out on the car, and come to find out it's not the sway bar end links. It's actually the coilover on the driver's side. For what I found out, that coilover separates the top of the hat and the inside. It's another nut that sometimes backs out, and it causes a little rattling noise, so it's just probably loose. But I had an appointment this past Monday with my dealer, but evidently the master mechanic that they had scheduled to work on the car, he called out sick. So I have another appointment for this upcoming Monday. I'm going to sit up there and wait with the car and wait and see if they can do something about it. They already ordered me a new strut. New coilover for the car already. So that way it'll be sitting there and they can just replace it as soon as the car come in. I don't have to wait for parts and everything. Since I had to wait for this guy, they went ahead and ordered the parts. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky, but you know how this car is with the suspension. But yeah, and I'm also getting two other things looked at. I don't know if any other Camaro owners or any Chevy owners having an issue with the GPS and the memory card. Sometimes when you're in the car, it'll say SD card error problem, when really the card is already in there. But if you take the card out and put it back in, it works fine. Or either if you shut the car off and shut it back on, it's fine. Then my other problem is my Bluetooth through the stereo. The phone works perfectly, but if you try to stream music to the radio, sometimes it won't work. I've heard people say make sure you don't have any smartwatches connected to the phone. Make sure it's not paired with any Wi-Fi or anything like that. I've tried all of the above, and there's no rhyme or reason to it. It still works when it works. So I'm getting all of that checked out under warranty this upcoming Monday, and hopefully they get me straight. It's kind of frustrating. Oh, and this is the kicker. I called the parts department just to see how much it would be if I just bought a coilover and just replace it myself real quick. For one coilover, not the entire set, one coilover, they want $2,600 for one coilover. Yeah, you can get two sets of coilovers for that price for the entire car. So, I mean, I understand dealers mark things up, but that's unbelievable. But yeah, so that's what I'm faced with. I'm just being patient and taking my time and getting this stuff figured out. I told y'all I was gonna take y'all on the journey with me and owning this car, so that means the good, the bad, the ugly. And that's just where I'm at. Other than that, the car's been handling and performing excellent. I mean, I absolutely love this car. I never thought I'd be a Camaro person, but this car, it blew my expectations. I got some more stuff coming. I recently tried to order a new lid for the supercharger to give it more whine, and they said it's supposed to also help keep the blower cool. They were out of stock, of course. No matter what color I tried to order, it was out of stock. So waiting on a restock of those, and some other things I've been looking at for the car. And we'll see what happens. Also, I have already put in my order for a Mighty Mouse catch can. I'm waiting on that to get built. I spoke to him directly via text, told me everything to get. I also, while I was at the dealership the other day, I went ahead and ordered my new bolts for the supercharger, because once you take the bolts out of this supercharger, you're supposed to replace them. They're supposed to be one use only. So I went ahead and ordered a new kit that came with a gasket and everything. They say you don't have to use the gasket, but you can use the bolts. This car is low mileage. The 19 only has 20,000 miles on it, so don't have to replace the gasket yet. But so I'm waiting on the catch cans. I'm going to install that. I'll be making a video about that as well. So yeah, that's where I sit right now, so it's just a waiting game with the dealership. But shout out to my new subscribers. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for helping me grow the channel. I also got a request. Somebody wanted me to make a video on how to set up the front suspension for this car if you want to take it to the track. We'll be making a video about that to show you what you need to do to prep the car for the track. So that's coming also, just stay tuned. So like I said, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for all my new subscribers. And that's all I have for today. Until the next video, thanks for watching.